It's almost like when people, I could correlate, like even when we talk analysis paralysis, right? And we always laugh when we talk about like when it comes to being a parent. There's no book to being a parent. Like, and you know what I mean, there is. You can go read, all these books on this, and this. But at the end of the day, like everyone's life is different.
Oh, yeah.
So you're reading a book on someone
kid
who,
is
you know what I
different.
mean? Every kid is different. Every kid's needs are different. And I mean, I'm gonna tell you, I mean, shit, down to our third child. Like, bro, you never got that shit figured out. You know what I mean? But you figure it out as you go. You use the resources around you to figure out how to be a better parent. You use the lessons that you feel like, I fucked up with the first one. So then the second one, you know what I mean, you're a little bit better with it, and then you hope to have it a little bit more figured out, with my third one. And so, but like that's just it's a testament to like you're never gonna have it figured out. You just take those lessons as you go, and you just get better and better as you go, and you refine those moments. So when people say like, hey, they about to have their first child, well, what should I expect? And the first thing I tell people, I'm like, as men, like, bro, we're never ready to have kids in the sense of, when women, they growing up, they dream of like their wedding and being a mother. And, that's just, I feel like sometimes their natural instinct sometimes. And as a guy, like it's always, in a sense, sometimes it's a fear. You know what I mean? I was nervous having my third child, and I done already had kids. So it's like, well, what you nervous for? You'll never be ready to have kids. So don't just be like, oh, when I'm ready, when I got my job, you're never going to be ready for it. You know what I mean? But it's the greatest thing that could ever happen. And the child honestly going to teach you how to be a parent.
Yeah, I mean, for me, the reason we're waiting to have more kids is just like lifestyle. Honestly, like lifestyle, being able to like be an actual parent. Like the butt's in the other room right now.
Yeah,
like, all right, bro, you're coming with me today.
He doing good though.
Yeah, he doing good.
He ain't walked in on the podcast yet.
Nah, he out there fucking up them toys.
I've been waiting for him to bust in here.
Right? He out there fucking up them toys. I mean, it's when it comes to kids, bro, I just feel like it's you'll number one never be ready to be a parent. What I say you'll be ready to be like financially stable to support a child, yes.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I do feel like people scare you a little bit when it comes to having kids. Oh, they're so expensive. Oh man, don't. I'm like, bro, I haven't ran into that issue yet.
No, with in that aspect, no. But like,
I was teaching with 2 kids,
right? Being able to provide like a stable environment for your kids.
Yeah,
like there are things that go like some of y'all shouldn't have any fucking.
Now,
kids.
I'm about to say now, if you're not stable, you shouldn't be having no fucking kids.
Yeah.
You can't bring no kid in no unstable environment. Yeah,
some of y'all shouldn't be having kids. Like stable income, stable environment. Like really, I mean, there's 7 billion people in the world, and only 330 people live in America, and what is it? A couple 100 million people live in Europe. The rest of the world's kind of fucking wild. All them other people make it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
odds is in your favor, man.
Odds are in your favor, bro. Like all those other people in third world countries, wild ass countries, people make it in Russia, people make it China. Like all this shit happens. Like I'm sure your kids will be fine.